The new Jolla Phone is now available for pre-order, positioning itself as an independent European-made Linux smartphone designed with a strong focus on privacy and community involvement. Jolla describes it as a do-it-together device shaped by its users rather than big tech companies and governed by European privacy principles with a community-led development model. The phone is powered by a high-performance MediaTek 5G processor and comes with 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of internal storage, which can be expanded up to 2 terabytes via microSD-XC. It features a 6.36-inch Full HD AMOLED display with Gorilla Glass protection, a 20:9 aspect ratio, and a pixel density of around 390 ppi. One of its standout hardware features is a user-replaceable 5500 milliamp hour battery, something rarely seen in modern smartphones. In terms of connectivity and hardware, the Jolla phone supports 4G and 5G with dual nano SIM global roaming modem configuration, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, and NFC. The camera setup includes a 50 megapixel wide and 13 megapixel ultra wide rear camera, along with a front facing wide lens selfie camera. Additional features include a fingerprint reader integrated into the power button, a user changeable back cover, and an RGB notification LED. Privacy is a core focus of the device, highlighted by a user configurable physical privacy switch that allows users to disable components such as the microphone, Bluetooth, or Android app support. According to Jolla, mainstream smartphones often send large amounts of background data, while Sailfish OS remains silent unless the user explicitly allows network connections. The device runs Sailfish OS, a Linux-based mobile operating system with support for Android apps and a commitment to at least 5 years of software updates. Jolla promises no tracking, no hidden analytics, and no unsolicited data collection. The phone will be available in Snow White, Camos Black, and the Orange, with all specifications having been voted on by the Sailfish OS community. The Jolla phone is available for pre-order at €99, which is fully refundable and deducted from the final retail price of €499, including local VAT. Production was dependent on reaching 2,000 pre-orders, a milestone Jolla achieved in less than a week. Manufacturing and sales will take place in Europe, with initial availability in the EU, UK, Switzerland, and Norway, and delivery expected by the first half of 2026.